Hey guys, my name is Shweta Sekhon, your Miss Malaysia 2019, and I'm here today at GLOJAS for the follow-up of all my appointments because I've been missing out. 1. 2. I've been in front of cameras and light, and I definitely can see the effect it has on my skin. Hence why I'm here today for my facial appointment. So do stay tuned to know more on what am I here to do for today. So I just completed my treatment and it was entirely painless. Trust me, for someone who has extremely horrible pain tolerance, I can say it was not painful at all. But what I can see and feel is that like my skin is much more soft and I see more radiance. I can see a 10 to 15% difference, and I can't wait for tomorrow because I'm told that tomorrow I can see a huge and drastic change. So stay tuned.